outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle.
That's the system.
Close a substantial shelter
That's
and
the
protect
man.
yourself from flying debris. If a tornado or other severe weather is spotted, report it to the National Weather Service or your local nearest law enforcement agency
Look
who
at
will
that
send your
left.
report. This act may save the lives of others in the path of dangerous weather. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Bluegrass region of central Kentucky, including Lexington and surrounding areas.
The hook.
Today, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms
God,
this
look
morning.
how
No
monstrous
showers
that
likely
thing
with a
is.
chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall. Then some thunderstorms may be severe with damage. A tornado warning remains in effect until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northwestern Lincoln County. At 2:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe squall line capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage was located near Stanford, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Stanford, Hustonville, Bonneville, Milledgeville, Jumbo, Gilbert, Geneva, Roland, Halls Gap, and Walnut Flat. If a tornado or other severe weather is spotted, report it to the National Weather Service or your local nearest law enforcement agency who will send your report. This act may save the lives of others in the path of dangerous weather. The tornado warning for southern Boyle and north-central Casey counties is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central Kentucky. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Bluegrass region of central Kentucky, including Lexington and surrounding areas. Today, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms this morning. Then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall. Then some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds, large hail, and heavy rainfall this afternoon. Locally heavy rainfall possible this afternoon.